Hi everyone, today I am going to talk with you about a topic that is critical to every software developer. It is performance appraisal. Typically, at the end of every year, managers in software companies have to evaluate the technical performance of the employees in their teams. But why is it so important? First of all, software publishing industry has become an essential pillar in the Canadian economy. Exports have been grown by 5.6% in 2012 according to official report issued by the Canadian government in 2014. Second, team productivity is the secret key for any successful software company, and performance evaluation is one of the key factors that affect work productivity of software developers. Therefore, managers should pay more attention while they prepare the evaluation documents for software developers. Otherwise, developers will no longer be productive. Hence, the national economy will be affected badly. Problems with software appraisal. According to a report issued by Reuters, 4 out of 5 US workers are dissatisfied with their job performance reviews. By investigating in deep details what might be the root cause of such dissatisfaction, it was found that managers rely on their memory to complete the required evaluation because they don't have enough time to write down every little observation, and actually it is a waste of time and effort for them if they do so. Another obvious cause is the frequency of performance measurements. In the past, employees wanted to be evaluated every year, but nowadays they prefer their measurement to be evaluated at least 2 times per year or even every quarter. The last possible cause is the lack of clear metrics. Sometimes software employees find out that the metric is not related to their technical performance. So, my first solution for all these problems is the automation of performance appraisal process. It will be very efficient if managers have periodic updates on how many lines of codes written by a developer versus how many software defects have been reported to the same developer during certain period of time. Based on the fact that developers use text editors to write software code every day, the main focus of the solution is to use an advanced text editor that gathers daily statistics about the amount of code written for each developer. Besides, every software company must already have a system to track software defects for each developer. Typically, the system is a website. So, some sort of intelligence could be added to this system so that it collects periodic statistics about how many software problems have been reported for each developer. Finally, by comparing the two numbers to each other, we can have a fair evaluation for developers' performance. My second proposed solution for the previous mentioned problems, or I'd rather say that it is a complementary solution to the automation solution that we went through, is gamification. Gamification of performance evaluation process. First, let's define gamification. It is the use of game elements with non-game objects in order to improve users' engagements to solve problems. It is capable of improving any complex process such as performance evaluation, by creating funny environment to achieve the goals of this complex process. One form of the solution is to model gamification techniques by creating an online game among all software developers. Each level in the game consists of a group of technical challenges that need to be solved. The higher level the employee reaches in the game, the higher values he will receive in his performance appraisal. Yet it looks very simple idea, but it is very effective. At the end, it is worth pointing out that both of proposed solutions are flexible enough so that they could be integrated with the current process of the company for evaluating employees' performance. For example, the automated solution can be implemented as plugins for commonly used text editors. Also, note that neither of these solutions is supposed to replace the human effort that is required from managers. Finally, the goals of performance appraisal can be easily achieved using these solutions. Supervisors will be able to recognize results, provide feedback to address weaknesses, determine training needs, and identify poor performers. Hence, software companies will enjoy healthy productive workplace. Thank you.